Hello guys, welcome to Imara TV. Please like, share and subscribe. So today we're going to look at a brief history of a great leader, Nelson Mandela of South Africa. Nelson Mandela of South Africa, he was born in the year 1918. Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary, political leader and a philanthropist who became the country's first black president, who ruled from the year 1994 to the year 1999. The early life and activism of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela, being born in a rural village of Mvezo, Mandela studied law and became involved in the African National Congress (ANC) in the 1940s. He co-founded the ANC Youth League and played a key role in protests against apartheid, the system of racial segregation enforced by the white minority government. The imprisonment of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was imprisoned from the year 1962 to the year 1990. In 1962, Mandela was arrested for his anti-apartheid activities and sentenced to life imprisonment in the year 1964 for sabotage and conspiracy against the government. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years behind bars, mostly on Robben Island. During his imprisonment, he became a global symbol of resistance against oppression. The presidency and legacy. Nelson Mandela being released in the year 1990, Mandela led negotiations to end apartheid, resulting in South Africa's first democratic elections in the year 1994. Nelson Mandela won and became the president, focusing on reconciliation and nation building. After serving one term, he stepped down in the year 1999 and dedicated the rest of his life to philanthropy and humanitarian causes. Nelson Mandela passed away in 2013, but his legacy as a champion of peace, justice and human rights endures all. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Thank you.